That is fast, guys. Watch out. Oh, ouch.
Alrighty then. Today we've got something very exciting indeed. Now, this is the ZD Racing Pirates 3, or it's called the MT8. This is a 1/8 scale monster truck and it is huge, guys. This truck will do 50 miles an hour straight out of the box. This costs you $370, £300 here in the UK, and this is one serious truck. It is not a toy. Thank you very much to Geekbuying.com. These guys have sent me this kindly in the mail. If you guys are interested in one of these units, take a look right down below in the description box or the comments, and the link will be placed right there for you. Thanks, guys. Alright, I can't wait any longer. Let's go!
Oh my god! Oh, tree bushes! So you guys are seeing in this box for the first time with me. So we've got an instruction guide straight away, and one thing I must mention as well, on the Geekbuying website, if you scroll right down to the bottom, you'll find the instruction manual including the parts diagrams and parts lists for this particular truck. Now this is also the wrong manual, can I just point that out? But the parts are very much so interchangeable. So we've got a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter right here, and that is really nice actually. I like the orange accents on it. That matches the truck, which you'll see in just a minute. Little pocket charger for the LIPO here. B3 compact charger. Let's have a quick look at this. So this will charge the built-in battery at 800 milliamps. That's 0.8 amps. Have you seen the size of these wheels? This is an 8 scale monster truck. But look at these. That is immense, and they weigh quite a lot. Okay, let's get this thing out of the box then. Look at the hub carriers on this. Those axles are immense. Oh my goodness. Thanks again, Geekbuying, for sending me one of these trucks in the mail for review. There's some serious build quality gone into this. You can see the blue springs there, and they're adjustable shocks, oil filled. They are beautiful, they're really nice. They've got shock boots on them as well, dust covers. Whoa, and there's sway bars in this thing. The brushless motor there. Those shock towers have got to be at least 5mm thick. I'm loving the orange theme here, so it follows through from the shock caps to the adjusters here, the motor. Now this is a 1900 kV brushless motor. The ESC at the front. The dog bones have got to be at least 5mm thick because they are massive. Stop! That's LIPO. Oh, damn! That is fast, guys, watch out! So I managed a maximum of 32 miles an hour there on the 3S stock LIPO built into this truck. There's a 15 kilogram metal geared servo on the side here, and you can see there's a Servo Saver as well on the steering linkage, and the 2.4 gigahertz radio receiver is in this little box just here. At the underneath of this truck, you can see the chassis is all metal as well, and you can see the screws are all countersunk there into the chassis itself. So now the wheels are installed on this thing, and I hope you'd agree, guys, it is absolutely awesome, isn't it? I mean, these tyres are massive. Oh my god! 4S power.
Oh my God! I can't believe how fast this thing is, it's unbelievable.
Now this truck shares very similar components and chassis layout to the other trucks in the ZD range. Now the 9021 is a truggy, the 920 is a buggy, and the 9116 is also a monster truck but not the MT8 model.
In the corners of your mind, I go with the windows. I run but I don't hide. I hear the call of the wild, whispering the name. No, I can't be tamed. My heart belongs to the night. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf.
Now the built-in 3S LIPO is great for most. However, if you want a bit more performance, remember this truck supports 4S LIPOs and 6S LIPO packs.
Oh, power! Whoa! What speed have we managed to achieve with the 4S LIPO? 45 miles an hour. Hey, not bad. What I've just proven is that 4S LIPO batteries is plenty in the MT8 monster truck.
Now I hope you guys know that I'm not trying to tell you this is the best truck on the market. However, it does offer a great value for money option. When you look at some of the components that are in this, you'd be paying a premium price for them on any branded model. Thanks again Geekbuying.com for sending me this truck in the mail for a review on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. As always guys, have a look down below in the description box and the comment section and you'll find a link to this if you're interested in having a look online. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. See you later on. Bye.